guys, welcome back to Gabby Geneva. And so today I'm going to be having Myra, my best friend. She is going to be rating my slimes. So yeah, let's get started. So the first slime is this one. This is really bad. It's a rock. Well, it's probably not a rock, but it's definitely not slime. Not even putty. It's glow in the dark, so, and it actually glows in the dark, so that's cool. Next two. Okay. It's hard. The next one is this one. There you go. Oh, it's definitely glossy.
This one is 9.
Okay. Let's do this one. Which one's that one? Oh.
This is
I mean, the color isn't that good, but like it's actually really good.
it's a 10.
Okay.
Yep.
Ooh. Is that one the sticky one?
Yeah.
Mix it in with this one. Oh wait, no, the other one. We're also going to be mixing some slimes after she finishes rating.
This one is
Sticky.
3. Because it's sticky. But if it wasn't sticky, it would have been a 10.
And it's even sticking to the table. Yeah. Don't even close the container, because we're gonna use it in a little bit. So don't close the container.
Like, put it in there.
Okay. The next slime.
This one is 4.
Yeah.
Like it has like some hard stuff in it.
Let's do this slime. Ooh.
This one is a pretty color. This one is a 10.
Yes.
11. I like this one really good. It's pokey.
It's so pokey. I didn't realize that. Okay. The next slime is.
I love this one.
Okay, the next slime is this big one.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh, that one's definitely good.
This one's a 10. And it's huge.
Okay, this is the last slime. It's the worst. Well, which one do you think is the worst? The glow in the dark or this one?
The glow and dark in this one. So this is like a.
It's so bouncy.
It's like a 2.
It's not good. Like, look, you ready?
Doesn't stretch.
Okay, so since it's so not stretchy, we're gonna add this sticky slime into it. So satisfying. We're so unsatisfying. Just mix it in. Gonna go ahead and add it. Oh, the texture is weird. Not at all.
The textures, I like the texture of this one. But like too sticky. And that slime
This one's my favorite.
Yeah, that one is my favorite.
It's like a rose gold color. It's not shiny, but it definitely is rose gold.
Yeah.
And it looks like throw up on camera, but it really isn't. It's really pretty pink.
Yeah, I think this is not gonna mix.
Just leave it in, and then the colors will turn out really pretty. Oh wait, that's the wrong container.
Oh yeah.
So, which one do you think is the overall winner?
The winner is definitely that one.
So this one's the winner. So first we have to do the bubble test to see if this is actually truly a winner. So let's do the swirl test first. Okay, so that's good. Now let's do the poke. Definitely good. Okay, now let's do bubble. Definitely good. Oh, yes.
And then the second winner is this one.
Yeah. There are only 3 winners, so which one's the third one?
The third one is going to go to this one.
Good choice. I thought it would be this one. Okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on those post notifications and comment down below which slime do you think truly is a winner.